Hi friends, welcome back to Frosty Eye Candy. So, from the photos at the beginning of the video, you know my pouring medium, you know my cell activator, and also the pillow paint that I'm using. I just thought I'd go through the colours with you personally myself rather than just another photo. So, first of all, we have got Amsterdam Turquoise Green. This is our opaque to go down first. Next we have TLP, this little piggy, this one's called Grunge, fantastic fluorescent green, and of course being a pigment, this is I believe either semi-opaque or semi-transparent. There's a bit of confusion, not quite sure, but it's definitely not opaque. Next on the lineup is Deco Art Extreme Sheen. This is 24 karat gold. This will be another opaque. Then next we have TLP, it's fantastic fluorescent colour called Funk. This is going to be again the semi-opaque or semi-transparent, whichever you really prefer I guess. And next is another TLP, this one's called Rave, this is a fluorescent blue. So all of these TLPs that I'm using are luminescent or fluorescent, so they'll luminesce under black light, which is really great. And then last but not least is our last opaque, and this one is Dioxazine Purple, and this is from Buzz Acrylic 101. Okay, so what we're going to try and do this time guys is what I call a landscape swipe on a 13-inch round. So I'm going to stop talking, get the camera pointed down, and we're going to get on with some painting. Okay friends. Okay then, so I've put down my black pillow here. I've put down probably around 200 to 250 millilitres, and for those that like imperial, that's going to be around about 7 or 8 ounces or so of the black pillow. So let's start putting these colours down. Now I've got slightly more of one than the other, so I've got to make sure that I lay them down and cover the space nice and evenly. Because with this landscape swipe thing, we're going for kind of greens on the bottom, going into yellows and blues and pinks to kind of emulate landscape in the sky. Okay, that was the Turquoise by Amsterdam. Now we've got the real fun one, the Grunge TLP. It's always good just to drip a couple of bits in the colour you just put down, just so we get some nice blending of the colours, let's say. Next it's the Deco Art Extreme Sheen, the gold. And I'd say colour wise, I'm probably putting down maybe about 3 or 4 ounces of paint. So all in all I guess that would be around about 12-13 ounces of paint in total on the 13-inch round. Okay, so that was the gold, now it's the turn of Funk. Now it's the turn of TLP Rave. These are the fluorescent colours. You can see a few bubbles there, especially in the 24 karat gold, so I'm going to address those. Might just use a pin quickly, or I might very gently use my torch. Okay guys, so there's our colours nicely down. Just move them around into the middle a little bit like that. Now, the palette knife that I'm using is going to be this one. It's a number 1, whatever that actually means, I'm not too sure, but it's got quite a nice base that we can really load up the cell activator. Today we're using the white cell activator, the Shelly Art recipe. I highly recommend you take her course. I have a 15% off discount code. All the details are in the details of this video. You're more than welcome to use it, and I highly recommend it. You get access to Facebook groups, so you get support from people all over the world from where you are, where there's different ingredients, so everyone can enjoy and practice the Shelly Art blooms. So we're going to really be quite generous with the cell activator. Excellent. Ooh. And here we go guys, this is about how much we're using. So we're going to start at the top, we're going to swipe nicely to the left, to the right, to the left, and we're just going to tilt our palette knife ever so slightly whilst we do that. So here we go, wish me luck. Caught a little bit of the black paint there. Just going to blow these edges a little bit. Okay, let's just try and move it over into the middle a little more. Okay, so let's give her a gentle spin. Remember guys, we just want to spin fast enough to get the paint to come over the edges nicely, not fly off anywhere. Okay, let's just move this over a little bit more. Okay, now let's give her the anti-clockwise spin. Well, not quite sure if it came out how we were planning. Not quite sure if that looks like a landscape to me. I don't know, it looks like just quite a nice piece of abstract art. The cells, we've got nice cell definition happening here, and the Deco Arts 24 karat gold is acting really beautifully with the TLP funk here. Excellent. Let me just see if it moves very much. Oh wow. Nope, that is it. Well, there you go my friends. That was my attempt at trying to recreate a swipe that I did recently, but it was with completely different colours. I apologise, I'm on my last bottle of Joe Sonia, so I'm trying to be creative and use it sparingly to hopefully to good effect. But anyway, thank you very much my friends, thank you for joining me, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the videos, you can share them as well if you like what you see here, and as always my friends, happy pouring.